Gaming with Sarnay, and today I am actually going today since it is my daughter Zoe's birthday. She just turned into a infant. She is 1 month, and since she is, I'm finna do. They basically be a vlog on her birthday. So first, we gonna go on a walk on the sidewalk because that person just almost went me over. So let's go on a walk. Hey y'all, so I didn't decorate yet. But I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna invite her, my cousin over, slash her cousin too. But first, I'm gonna just like feed her since I haven't fed her yet. Well, I fed her, but she's probably very very hungry and dehydrated from the walk. It was like I was doing the walking. And I'm gonna just sit her down for a nap and, yep. I gotta put this up over here. Alright, so now I'm gonna decorate the house and, yep. So I just got done decorating it. I got the balloons here, the happy birthday sign, the balloons there. And then I got gifts over here. So 2 of them is from her auntie London. I mean, not turn that off. From her auntie London, these 2, and then these 2 over here is from me. And then I call her auntie. I mean her cousin. London gave them 2 gifts. But now I'm finna. Oh, by the way, I got a cake here. Let me go upstairs and show you. Right there, I put balloons right there. Let me go and check on her. By the way, everything she wearing is new. That donut is a gift that I let her get early because she is the baby and the pacifier new too. So yep, let's get her a shower because okay. Don't know when auntie come in, but I hope she do come eventually. Let me turn this shower off because she should be done taking a shower. It's turned off. It's turned off. Alright, so I don't know. We're gonna just go outside. Oh, I forgot I got a glass door right here. I need to not have it. Yeah, I don't like the glass door, but maybe I just gonna change it. I don't know. Since it is her birthday, maybe she can't even pay on it. She still can't pay on it. Even though I put her on it. Maybe let's do some exercising. Yes, I'm exercising with a baby. I was exercising with a baby though. Come on now. Who will be exercising with a baby? Oh my god, that's Zoe. Oh my god. Oh wait. But this is not working. Zoe, what are you doing? I mean, I know you're supposed to come, but you came really early. Hey, girl. You came early. Where's the baby? Where's the baby? This is a birthday party. Snapsy's in the car. What the? Yeah, I'm just gonna turn on one because how is he gonna forget her baby in the car? Hold on, I forgot what baby she bringing. Alright, she put to be bringing her Tyler because, yeah. Okay, she got her. Y'all, the name is older than Zoe. I just noticed they both is called Zoe. Even though Zoe's not her real name, she needs to start. Zoe's her nickname. So yeah, her real name is ZZ. ZZ. That kind of sounds really weird, but that's her name is ZZ. I don't know what exactly is he finna do. Why is he happening on my table? Why is he eating my cake? Why is he eating my cake? Oh my god. Pico G gonna eat my cake. Alright, yeah, I guess we're gonna put the child in playpens for them to play around. That's because, you know, they cousins and junk. She just put her baby is slapping my child, so I'm gonna put my child here. Hold on, wait. We'll put my child. Yeah, don't know exactly what's going on with her. Okay, then she said to make herself come home. ZZ is over here trying to make herself at home. And her daughter's over here clown. I said clown. I forgot the name, but she's crawling. Yeah, that's the name. She's crawling. Hold on. Did you bring a gift? Okay, where is it? Good that you decided to bring a gift. Hannah, how did you get the money? The money for? How did you get the money? How did you get the money for the gift? Because you do got a job. Don't ask. Why should I not ask? By the way, she throwing her daughter a birthday party too soon. Very soon, because her daughter age out before my daughter, but at the time she was I don't know. Okay. So that's fun. Alright, bring the kids I want so we can sing happy birthday. Okay, let me go get my child. Alright, so bring them out and yeah. Alright, I picked it up. Let's go to the table. Okay, let's go to that. I go to the table. Let me put her right here. Alright, come on, let's sing happy birthday. Let's sit down and sing her happy. Now, we're supposed to be standing up. Let me record this moment. Okay, I got my phone. Happy birthday to you. 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 Happy birthday, Zoe. How old are you? She's not one. she's not. She's only. She's 1 month. She's not 1 year old. Yeah. I didn't have her for 1 year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Zoe! I don't know. Z. Why did you yelling that out? Why did you have to yell that out? Because it's her birthday. Okay, I wish more people could have came to this birthday, but no, they didn't. Oh, well, let me finish recording this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Nice phone. Thanks, I guess. Yay! Oh, okay. Now we eat the cake, even though you did eat other cake. Let me take one. Alright, let me get... Who just ate a cake? Oh, that was me. Yeah, y'all eat cake. Eat the cake. Alright, let me feed her cake. Well, she's too young, but... Okay, how about one time she can eat cake, maybe for the one time I can feed her some cake. So now I let her go open up her gifts. Oh, so now, okay, I'm gonna have to help her with these. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna have to help her with these. Alright, okay. I'm gonna help her open this one first. No, don't open up her gift. Snap! Why would you do that? Why would you open up the gift? It's her gift. Why would you? Oh my God! Why you open it? Do you think that's a good reason? No, it's no. That's rude. How could you open up her gift? What was it anyways? A what? She won't be able to use that anyways. Alright, next. Okay, she finna open this one. Good job. Look what she get. She got that. Yeah, okay. Alright, you can open this one too. You have this toy. That's cool. Alright, let's open up the rest. So here go the gifts she got. She got a balloon. Oh my God! How do I get that? God. Did that just really happen? I know it happened. I was just being sarcastic. Yeah, oh my God. And the next one is a little cute puppy. And she got a hot one too. And yeah, that's her gift. I hope you enjoy. Let me take a picture with my sweet angel. Yes. Ooh. Let me give her milk. And yeah. Oh, get into it, period. Let me turn around. We gonna be flush with the baby. I wanna dance too. Let me. Y'all don't see what. Y'all don't know how I dance. Yes. Let me put the child down real quick. Let me put her down. Then we go end the video of while I'm dancing. Alright, you don't know how I get down. Yes, man. Bye, y'all.